Sniff, sniff, sniff. Is that it?
This looks like fun! Lou, no! Whee! So much chocolate! Oh my goodness! What? Uh-oh. What?
In a stunning turn of events, Lou completed the Canine Valentine heist.
Oh boy, that's a lot of caffeine.
Are you sure you're okay, Lou?
My chocolate! The darker the chocolate, the deadlier the drama.
We're doomed.
Oh, relax.
Woohoo! Oh, for the love of...
And it's so yummy!
Ta-da!
Is it safe to touch?
Xylitol is death sugar.
What do you have there, Lou?
Oh, a reset.
Lou, did you eat all the chocolates again? Eat all the chocolates again and...
But ambience.
Peanut butter. You're such a silly dog.
The chocolate box closed, the peanut butter hero of the night. Like, share, and subscribe for more delicious disasters.